You're running in the car, guys.
S1's in the car. I'll call it out.
Get out.
Northbound Prairie. He's coming up to Eaton. Alright, we're going eastbound on Eaton. He cracked up. He's regaining control. He's back westbound Eaton. Correction, eastbound Eaton. Coming up to Santa Rosa. High rate of speed, picking it up. Through Stopel. Coming up to Livernois.
Hey, no DPD unit chase. Let the air unit call it out. Do not engage in the pursuit.
Alright, we're slowing up a bit. We're curbing it. We're at Indiana Street and West Grand River. He's parking. You guys copy me on that?
Yeah, you said Indiana and Grand River?
Indiana and Grand River, just north, just west of Indiana. He's still in the vehicle, he curbed it, hasn't got out yet. Heavy driver's side damage.
Are you past him? Come back.
He's in the vehicle moving around. Hasn't exited the vehicle yet though. Somebody's coming up to the car, black male, black jacket, red hoodie inside of it. Looks like he came up to the car, grabbed something, and went inside. He's back on the move now. Coming up to Grand River again. We're going to be shooting westbound Grand River. Scouts are lighting them up right now. Coming up to Leisure now. Northbound on Leisure. DPD seem to back off. We're northbound Leisure. Alright, we're hitting another U-turn. Oh, we're driving on the wrong side of the road. We're continuing southbound on Livernois, wrong side of the road. We're coming up to Crenshaw. We're going to be making a eastbound shot on the Crenshaw. He's pulling into the liquor store parking lot, and he's reversing. Alright, he's parking it. He's moving around a lot. He's got people at the front door of the liquor store. He's parked. He's still in the vehicle right now. You got a guy coming up to the car. He just handed off something to another black male wearing a blue coat, and now he's back away again on Livernois, northbound Livernois. He handed something off to that gentleman. We're still northbound on Livernois through Tuxedo again.
Lefty Steve, who's the 14 out here on scene?
We're coming up to Herbert, through Herbert. Still northbound Livernois.
Brad, I'm here. It's Chip. That's what was good. Put the gun on him. He didn't give him anything.
Alright, we're southbound on Livernois again, through Courtland. Alright, he's at the gas station at Courtland and Livernois. At the gas station, my view is obstructed by the, your guy's running. He ran into the gas station at Livernois and Courtland. Alright, your car is circling now. Again, I'm obstructed by the gas station awning. He's circling around Livernois. Somebody ran into that gas station at Livernois. Not sure if it was S1. Or not, but he matched the description a little bit. Somebody's in the vehicle going southbound on Livernois. I need somebody to go back to that gas station at Sitco and confirm for me. I'm going to keep up with the car.
2 PD will go there. Where did he drop that item off?
Didn't drop an item off. I lost visual under that awning at that Sitco at the gas station I just called out. It looked like S1 may have swapped out with somebody or not. I'm not sure, but somebody ran to the gas station inside. He should still be in there, but I'm with the car. We're southbound Livernois right now.
Alright, copy. LSPK, I got a good look at your driver. He looked at me directly in the face. It still appears to be your S1 driving based off the picture I seen this morning at the brief.
Alright, good on that. We're still southbound on Livernois. We're through Crenshaw.
Yeah, let's still make that location just to confirm.
Alright, we're coming up to Collingham, making a left hand. Nope. We're going back northbound on Livernois now. Coming back northbound.
Detroit area helicopter, this is police helicopter PD2. We are in a pursuit, Livernois and 96, 1,700, Detroit area helicopter traffic.
I'll go on the gas.
Alright, we're through Elmhurst, still northbound on Livernois, through Elmhurst. Coming up to Stanley Knox, through Stanley Knox.
You're going to be wearing a white t-shirt now.
Alright, he's blocked in. He's out on foot. He's running. Nope, he's jumped into another vehicle. He's in another vehicle right now. Nope. Alright, he just carjacked somebody. Yeah, alright, so we're in a new vehicle. It's going to be a blue, looks like a Chevy Tahoe SUV. He just carjacked somebody, yep, that was confirmed. Alright, we're going northbound on Livernois. Northbound on Livernois. Heavy paint damage, dark blue SUV, possibly a Tahoe, Chevy Tahoe.
pocket, you're good. Left your cruise, there was shots fired. Still in that blue car with an attempted carjacking. He had the gun out at his waist, trying to carjack the individual, and then pointed back towards me.
All right, vehicle still westbound Davison. I'm sorry, eastbound West Davison, correction. Eastbound West Davison.
ATF 4935, just be aware, it does like these fire shots, so the shots were exchanged.
District 1, I have a priority. This is DPD Air 2. Currently a pursuit right now for a homicide suspect who just actively exchanged shots with officers. And armed robbed another vehicle. It's going to be a blue Chevy Tahoe. Heavy blue paint damage. Older models, possibly 90s. Troopers are actively pursuing. We are coming southbound on Woolward at Martin Luther King Boulevard. Alright, westbound on Martin Luther King Boulevard. If you could, keep this track clear. We're trying, they just pitted him. Roll over, Martin Luther King. Start ambulance for me. He's out on foot. Westbound, Martin Luther King. Continue on foot. Coming up to Cass Ave. He's rounding Cass Ave. South on Cass. Shots fired. Suspect down. Roll EMS. Martin Luther King Boulevard and Cass Drive. Suspect is down. Roll EMS.
On Woodward and Carson Street.
Gonna be coming up to Carson.
Is third here. Pit. Rolled over. Look over. We're on Martin Luther King and Woodward.
Martin Luther King, Woodward.
He's got a gun.
Got one on foot. He has a firearm in his hand. Black jeans, black sweatshirt.
One on foot carrying a gun at 1340.
Woodward.
He's got a gun.
Got one on foot. He has a firearm in his hand. Black jeans, black sweatshirt.
One on foot carrying a gun at 1340.
A blue Chevy Tahoe.
You guys, take shelter.
Damage.
Leave the area.
Older model, stop around the Cass Ave.
Got the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Drop the gun! Radio motor 1 priority, shots fired, I'm involved. Come on, pull it.
Hang on foot.
Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Watch your drive fast! Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun! Put your hands up! Get your hands out! Put your hands out! Drop the fucking gun! Drop the fucking gun! Just drive fast! Drop the gun! Drop the fucking gun! Put your hands up! Get your hands out! Put your hands out! Yeah. Put your hands out! I got one. Come on. Hey, where you at, bro? I'm gonna help you. Come on, bro.
We got church on the farm.